Bousnic Dog Shock Collar Review.
The Bousnic Dog Shock Collar features 3 training modes, including beep, vibration, and safe shock, with a range of 3,300 feet, making it ideal for training dogs of all sizes from 5 to 120 pounds. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and has impressive battery life. Versatile training modes. This collar provides multiple training modes, including beep, 1 to 8 levels, vibration, 1 to 16 levels, and shock, 1 to 99 levels, allowing customization based on the dog's needs and behavior. Extended range. With a range of up to 3,300 feet, this collar is perfect for outdoor training, allowing the dog to roam freely while still being under control. Durable and waterproof. The IP67 waterproof design makes the collar suitable for all weather conditions, ensuring reliability during outdoor activities. Long battery life. The collar's battery lasts up to 15 days in working modes and over a month for the remote, reducing the frequency of recharging. Potential reliability issues. Some users reported issues with the collar quitting or not responding, raising concerns about its reliability during crucial training moments. Bulky for smaller dogs. The collar may be bulky for smaller breeds, potentially causing discomfort or difficulty in usage. Remote, not waterproof. While the collar is waterproof, the remote is not, which limits its usability in wet conditions. Limited shock sensitivity. The shock feature might not be effective for all dogs, as some may require higher levels to respond. The Bousnic Dog Shock Collar is a versatile and effective training tool with multiple features and impressive battery life. It is suitable for various dog sizes and training needs. However, potential reliability issues and bulkiness for smaller dogs may be a concern for some users. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for dog owners looking to enhance their training efforts. But caution is advised regarding the shock function sensitivity.
Are you excited to make a purchase, or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!